Welcome to episode 3 of Motivating Mondays, a weekly podcast and YouTube series dedicated to help Canadian job development and other employer engagement professionals develop the tools, resources, expertise, and network needed to excel in achieving sustainable employment outcomes for their clients and students. My name is Christian St. Cyr, National Director of the Canadian Job Development Network, and today we have part 1 in a 4-part series on job development networking. While we love the opportunity to share information and have discussion topics each week, the other mission of the Canadian Job Development Network is to create more opportunities for job developers to network with other job developers. Over the next 4 weeks, we'll be discussing practical steps for job developers to pursue in getting community buy-in to networking. We hope to take this momentum over the next 4 months and create a national association for individual job developer networking groups, and we hope you'll be part of that. So let's talk about establishing a job development mastermind group. As career professionals, we continually discuss the importance of networking with those who are in career transition, job seekers, and those students who are completing their studies. Yet this may be an area of career development where better networking could provide enormous benefit. Across the country, job developers and other employment professionals are regularly meeting to discuss local employers, changes in the labor market, and opportunities to better connect with businesses. These meetings provide a valuable opportunity to network and share information. While they may have many names, for all intents and purposes, they are mastermind groups for job development. If your community doesn't yet have a job development networking group, the intention of a group is to build awareness of local employers, the employment services and supports available in the community, and a coordinated approach to job development so employers are not left confused about the supports that are available to them. While this discussion topic provides a detailed outline of the benefits of developing a mastermind group for job development, as well as a roadmap for developing one, these are simply suggestions. Our goal is to help you develop a better networking tool in your town or city, and we hope you take ownership of this endeavor moving forward. So what is a mastermind group? A mastermind group, simply put, is a peer-to-peer mentoring group used to help members solve their problems with input and advice from other group members. The concept actually was coined in 1925 by author Napoleon Hill in his book, The Law of Success, and is described more in detail in his 1937 book, Think and Grow Rich. In his books, Hill discusses the idea of the mastermind, which is referred to as 2 or more people coming together in harmony to solve problems. To state it simply, a mastermind group is a support team that meets on a regular basis to provide and receive feedback, advice, and ideas. One of the first mastermind groups included Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, Harvey Firestone, and John Burroughs, and they called themselves the 4 Vagabonds. If you can steal that, I highly recommend it. They would meet once a year between 1915 and 1924. The purpose was to learn from each other, and they talked about business and art and current affairs. According to an article in Forbes magazine, which was titled The Power of Curated Mastermind Groups, Unlocking Success for Business Owners and leaders who are dedicated to personal and professional growth, open to feedback, and willing to share their experiences, insights with others, can significantly benefit from joining a curated mastermind group. The same Forbes article notes that there are 4 key benefits to participating in a mastermind group. 1 is shared challenges and experiences. 2 is personal development. 3 is networking and collaboration. And 4 is accountability and motivation. Since effective job development should reflect the activities of business owners and leaders, the same benefits flow back to job developers who participate in mastermind groups. So what are the benefits for you and others to join a mastermind group? Well, the 4 benefits set out by Forbes provide a general framework, but it's valuable to explore these benefits further to get a sense of how they can support job developers in employer engagement. So let's talk about shared challenges and experiences. Of all of the roles in career development, job development seems to be the one with a higher turnover rate of people who go into it and leave. It's quite different from other career development roles, making employer engagement the central role rather than building services and supports exclusively around clients or students. By participating in a mastermind group, it can be an excellent way of introducing job development to someone who is new to the sector, but also expanding contacts and your understanding of local employers for someone who's been working in the sector for a long time. Then there's the idea of personal development. There is a multitude of skills for effective job development. These can include effective time management, goal setting, employer communications, articulating benefits and supports, strategizing follow-up, sharing subject matter expertise, and professional networking. While the Canadian Job Development Network is built on the importance of professional development, a mastermind group provides an environment to discuss these supports, share experiences, and explore real-world scenarios. A local mastermind group provides you with an opportunity to apply weekly discussion topics in a group that reflects your local community and the employers who inhabit it. Networking and collaboration. It is easy for a job developer to work within their own silo and not factor in other services and supports in the community around them. If they are only looking at the services they provide, and this is their understanding of employment service, then this is their understanding of the employment services ecosystem. When they are meeting with local employers, they won't be able to fully articulate the benefits of their services and supports versus others. In fact, they will be blind to how other services and supports may augment what they are already doing. Working with a mastermind group, a career professional can develop a comprehensive understanding of the full spectrum of employment supports available within the community. Not only will they be able to better differentiate what they are able to do over others, they'll quickly discover areas where they can work with other organizations in a collaborative manner. Now, you may encounter an employer who needs a very specialized skill set, and you don't have anyone who's capable of providing those skills, but perhaps another job developer does have someone. Alternatively, you might be working with students who are about to graduate and need a work placement but could benefit from working with a local employer or employment service agency after graduation. Ideally, within your mastermind group, you'll develop a team of colleagues who understand what your work entails. You will also discover a common understanding of the benefits and challenges of job development that colleagues within your own organization may not understand. Accountability and motivation. As with any support group, there is a general understanding that everyone is stronger working together than working apart. While there may be an underlying fear that everyone is competing with everybody else for a limited number of jobs, since employers are far more likely to undertake hiring without your assistance, if the goal is to create greater awareness of employment supports in the community, every member can work together to achieve better employment outcomes for everyone as a result of working together. To foster a spirit of success, it can be valuable to discuss goals and objectives as a regular function of the meeting. This will help develop an accountability framework whereby participants are sharing their successes and challenges on a regular basis. Working together can provide a spirit of teamwork and a shared effort. Your mastermind group might be the one meeting you attend that builds you up, helps you focus, and better connects you with the community. Building a network within your community. Over the next 4 weeks, we will be discussing how to structure a job development mastermind group, who should attend, the benefits of the meetings, and ways to support local employers. For our April 28th meeting, please mark your calendars. We will return with a live session on Monday morning, 8:30 Pacific, 11:30 Eastern, where I will share plans for a national networking day, providing an opportunity for job developers to gather coast to coast in their own communities to establish mastermind groups, develop community plans, and seek opportunities to significantly grow the awareness of job development services in the community and across the country. We will be releasing part 2 of this 4-week series next Monday, April 14th on the in the Job Development Pulse, as well as on YouTube and on most podcast platforms. We'll see you then. Thank you so much for joining us. Please click the like or subscribe button in your platform. We would also love it if you could rate or review our podcast. Now, we do these sessions live and for free every Monday morning with job developers across the country. We'd love for you to join us. Just go to jobdevelopment.org to learn more. If you have any questions, send me an email at info@jobdevelopment.org. Thank you so much for your time and have an amazing week.